Hello friends, welcome to OnLive server. So today in this video I will tell you about the Germany VPS servers. So friends, OnLive server offers you Germany VPS hosting with the benefits of a dedicated server but in lower price than Germany dedicated server. With our powerful control panel, you can easily start and stop your server as well as reboot also, and grow or make data backups of your server at a particular time period. With our Germany VPS server, you will never face any network problem because we have our own data center at many locations, approx 30 plus locations we have, and as well as in Germany also. And so due to the nearest data center, you will never get any network problem, and you will get 99.99 network guarantee from our company OnLive server. So friends, in this video I will explain about the Germany VPS hosting plans. That was last plan, and that is Germany VPS plan G. So friends, the cost of this plan, that's the only cheapest cost, just only $33 per month. And in this plan you will get 4 core, 4 GB RAM, 120 GB SSD and 4 TB bandwidth. And friends, if you click on configure, then you will get the overall information about this Germany VPS hosting plans that is provided by our company. And here you can see that the Germany VPS hosting, the billing cycle, that here you will get the 4 options of billing, like monthly, quarterly, annually and semi-annually. And in this plan you will get the custom, you will get a CentOS U12 GB and Windows Server 2019, 16 and 2012 at the cheapest cost. Just only you will have to pay 815 rupees, and you will get Fedora and custom OS. And control panel you will get Plex panel, Babmin, Centora, Vesta CP and C panel with different accounts as 5 to 500 accounts. The next that you will get the 4 core and 120 GB SSD, 1 IP addresses, and the data center that will be Germany, and you will get 4 GB memory, 4 TB bandwidth and 1 Gbps network bandwidth. And you will get fully managed this service. It will be fully managed and the setup time will be few minutes, and you will get 24/7 customer supports, and you will get support on Skype and tickets, and it will be cloud control panel. And the overall cost of this plan, that's only 2,692 works. And so friends, if you want to purchase this plan, please visit our website or call on this number that is showing on your display, and anytime you can do the live chat with us by website. So friends, purchase this plan and get the best performance of your website. Thank you friends, thanks a lot.